Welcome back to We Talk Studio. Today we are making a special dish inspired by Bollywood actress Janhvi Kapoor. We are preparing her favorite combination, soft idli with delicious chicken curry. This is a simple homemade recipe that tastes amazing with idli. So let's start cooking.
First, we prepared soft and fluffy idli. The idlis are steamed and kept ready to serve with chicken curry. Place a cooker on the stove and add some oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add chopped onions and saute them well until they become soft and slightly golden. Now add chicken pieces into the cooker. Mix the chicken well with the onions and let it cook for a few minutes. Now add the basic spices, salt, turmeric powder, chicken masala powder. Mix everything properly so the chicken absorbs all the flavors. Now add a special homemade paste. For this paste we used ginger, garlic, fresh coconut, roasted gram, cinnamon, cloves, coriander leaves. Grind all these ingredients into a smooth paste and add it to the chicken. Mix everything nicely. You can add a little water if needed and close the cooker. Let the chicken cook and boil well. So, delicious chicken curry is now ready. Serve the hot chicken curry with soft idli. This combination tastes absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe inspired by Janhvi Kapoor, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.